Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Twilio SendGrid and automate spam filtering prompts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Twilio SendGrid website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click login. Enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on API Keys under the Settings menu. Select Create API Key to generate a new key. Give your API key a name that's easy to remember. Choose the appropriate permissions for your key, typically full access. After setting permissions, click Create and View to save your API key. Copy your new API key and keep it secure, as you will need it later. Now, open your favorite code editor, like Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and name it spam_filter.py. At the top of the script, import the required libraries. You will need SendGrid and Python.env. Use pip to install these packages if you haven't done so. In your script, load environment variables using .env. Set your SendGrid API key in the environment variable. Next, initialize the SendGrid client with your API key. Define a function to send emails through SendGrid. In this function, include the recipient's email and the message content. Now, let's add logic to filter spam prompts. Create a list of keywords commonly associated with spam. Within your email function, check if the message contains any of these keywords. If there's a match, log it as potential spam. For non-spam messages, send the email using SendGrid. Add exit logic to terminate the script for spammy content. Finally, run your script to test the functionality. Review your email inbox to verify if the filtered emails are correctly categorized as spam. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.